Good morning students, Swati Shabnam again, your teacher of English from Rajkamal Saraswati Vidya Mandir. Students, in this video I shall make you understand the summary, the story of the first part of two stories about flying, his first flight, which has been written by Liam O. Flaherty. Now in the previous video we have had an introduction about the writer and the introduction, a very short introduction about the story also. Now in this video we shall try to understand in detail what the story is all about. So I had told you that this story is about a young seagull bird who was afraid of flying. So that seagull bird was very much scared of flying, and he himself, he only did not used to live alone, rather he had his two brothers, his one sister and his father and mother. Means he had a complete family. They used to live on the cliff of the mountain. So their home was there, and just beneath that there was a very wide sea. The sea was very wide, and that is why this idea, this opinion was formed in the mind of the bird seagull, that if he would start flying, his wings would not support him and he would just fall down in the sea and his life would finish, means he would die. So that is why he was very pessimistic about flying. He was not at all hopeful because he never ever had even tried of flying. Now the condition was that his parents and the other family members, parents, I told you, he used to live with his father and mother, and other family members were his two brothers and one sister. So the wings of the two brothers and sisters were not even stronger and longer than his, yet they had tried flying and they had flew away also. But the condition of this seagull bird was such that he could not gather courage to have even his first flight. Means he did not even tried also. He did not even try of flying. So then what happens? He was left alone by everyone. He didn't get food for 24 hours. Now, as I told you that the father, mother and other family members used to always inspire him, used to motivate him always, yet his condition used to remain same. He did not even attempted ever. So that is why he was not able to get success in flying. So what happens? The mother or his family members tries to make him learn a lesson that if you would not try by your own, you are not going to get food. So this lesson was taught to this seagull bird by the father, mother and other family members of children, the other family members of the bird seagull. That is why what happens? They did not come back to their home for long 24 hours, and due to this reason, this seagull bird, who was very much afraid of flying, he had to remain hungry for completely one day. Now he was, although he did not have enough courage, but he was very clever. The seagull bird, the young seagull bird was very much clever. So when nobody returns to him for 24 long hours, he pretends to be fainted so that he could attract the attention of his father, mother and other family members. But none of them takes notice of him except the mother. Only mother looks at him, and she, having a piece of fish in her beak, she was trying to come closer to this seagull bird. Now this seagull bird becomes very happy that at least the mother is coming to provide him the food. But the mother was also very much clever. She was so intelligent. She knew that if she would provide or she would keep providing food to her son, he would never ever try to fly. That is why, carrying the piece of fish in her beak, she goes closer to the seagull, but she does not give it to him. Means she wanted to make him learn flying. That is why after traveling some distance, she stops there. Now what happens? Felt very hungry. Means the seagull bird was feeling very hungry. He was feeling very weak that time, and he was begging food from his mother so that the mother could come to him and she could give him the food. Now Seagull mother diverted his mind from fear to food. Now what happens? The mother of this young seagull bird, she was very much intelligent. She wanted to make his son learn flying. That is why she does not come so closer, she does not come so near to this young seagull, and while she was at some distance from this seagull bird, she stops there so that this seagull bird could himself make an attempt to reach to her. Finally, what happens? The seagull bird was maddened with hunger. He was going crazy with hunger because he had not eaten anything for 24 long hours. So as a result of that, he starts flapping his wings. He starts fluttering his wings and he starts taking a dive, means he starts flying. Earlier in the beginning, his reaction, his expression was quite scared. He was quite scared. He was quite frightened because while he was in the sky, while he was flying in the sky, he realizes that there is no surface beneath him. That is why he becomes afraid. But it was only for some moments. It was only for few moments that he had known that he is flying in the sky. After that, he flew very smoothly. He flew very smoothly. Now, when he reaches to his mother, who had the piece of fish in her beak, she starts praising for him because he at least had finally made his attempt of flying and he himself had arrived there in order to take the food from his mother. So the mother becomes very much happy that finally she had made her son learn flying, and not only the mother, the father and other family members also joins him and they start circling him round and round in order to praise him, in order to motivate him. So earlier they used to tell him coward because he was afraid of flying, but now he is praised by the family members of his. Now what happens? When he saw food, he started flapping his wings and he was encouraged and praised by his family members. So finally what happens, students? The seagull bird has learned flying, and not only he learns flying but also he learns skimming over the surface of the sea. Skimming means how to fly over the surface of the sea without sinking, without drowning. So this skill was also learned by the seagull bird. So in this way, this seagull bird, this young seagull bird who was coward in the beginning, who was afraid, who was scared, who was frightened in the beginning, had finally learned the skill of flying, and not only flying he had learned but other skills like skimming, diving, catching the fish. So these kind of skills were also learned by him. That is why all his family members, the father, mother and two brothers and sister, start circling him round and they start producing cackling sound. They start producing happy sound in order to encourage him and in order to motivate him to fly more and more. So students, from this lesson we learn that we should not give up, or we should not have some negative attitude unless and until we try for that thing. That seagull bird had not even tried of flying. He had not even tried ever of flying, and he always used to think that if he would start flying, his wings would not support him and he would fall down in the sea and he would die. But this was his wrong attitude. This was his negative attitude, and only this attitude was not making him to try to fly. So that is why what we should do, we should always have positive attitude towards something, and we should determine that nothing is impossible for us. We can do everything, and if our try is honest, if we are trying with the purity of our heart, we will certainly get successful. The same thing happened with the seagull bird. Although it was the food that forced him to fly, but that doesn't matter, because at the end of the day he had learned the most important skill that he should have, and that was what most important for him. So with this we come to an end of this lesson. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.